Well, I won't lie, it's a great place. Málaga is a great city. But even more importantly than that, when I saw the list of attendees, and for example, Roland Kuhn, we've been talking online, but this was the chance to meet him in person. I saw the list of speakers are very strong. I wanted to point out. So I think the difference is that the ACA, it's more like a port of, almost one-to-one port of Erlang OTP, which is great because that extended the developer community from just Erlang to people that understand Scala and Java. Our approach is different because we build it from the ground up for the cloud. So we focus on the cloud scale, cloud case, not on the single machine case, single process. This is the difference in the approaches. That's why our approach is kind of cloud first. Well, there are different meanings of big data, right? So it's not just a large amount of data, it's also the guarantees and semantics. So if you can, that's what I mentioned in my talk, if you have time to process data offline, if you can run batch process in minutes and hours, you can be very efficient. But in cases where you need decisions made instantaneously within sub-second latency, you can't use the same MapReduce approach as you can run a batch job. This is where the solutions, the reactive solution like Orleans or ACA come into play, where you can have this compute produce decisions very fast. You get to big data by scaling out, not by processing large files. You can have lots of decisions being made in parallel. That's the dimension of being big. I still see that all these trends are not, so to speak, democratized enough. We still rely too much on expert developers. And that's been the motivation for Orleans to democratize a space that people that are just regular mainstream developers to be successful. I think the same is up for disruption. I'd say up for democratization in the space of big data, AI, machine learning. So I think that trend will continue. And in 5 years, you'll have much more developers being part of it, not just those that run ahead of everybody else.